Every smartphone look the same now. Rounded corner, muted colors, even cameras are on the same place. iPhone, Samsung, same logo, same design, but then this phone appeared.
The hell is even that?
This phone is nothing. One of the fastest growing smartphone brands in the world. Most people think it's design. Design matters, but it's not the real secret. It did something that most of the companies terrified of. Yes, it showed the founder. Most smartphone CEOs are invisible. They hide behind PR team, polished keynote, and carefully written press release. But Carl did the opposite. While other CEOs wear suits on stage, Carl posts memes in a hoodie. He reacts to tech reviewer in real time. If a reviewer is right, he admits it, and if he is wrong, he explains why. Even he reviews competitor phone on his channel. Look different now. Imagine a tech CEO openly talking about why other phone is overpriced. That's how unfiltered it is. He explained supply chain delays, design mistakes, even the cost to build a phone. And here is why that matters. People don't trust corporations, they trust people. Carl isn't selling you a phone, he is inviting you into a process of building one. The messy parts included. And that matters most. When nothing delayed a major phone launch, when the design disappointed people, Carl didn't disappear. He showed up and said, "We messed up." No spin, no PR script, just honest. The most shocking part was people respected it. Because in industry built on hype, radical honesty stands out. But Carl didn't disappear, he did something more smarter. He turned user into co-creator. Nothing built a community playground where user designs app, skins, and even UI concept for the phone. People don't just use the product, they help to shape it. And when customers help build something, they don't just buy it, they defend it. Now, look at the design. The transparent back wasn't just aesthetic. It matches the philosophy, nothing to hide. Literally, the product markets itself by being different enough to start conversation. But the truth is more simple. He showed up every day like unfiltered human. Where most brands chase better quality, nothing chase better trust. And trust build a weird looking phone into a $1 billion company.